See me see Bobo, Bobo we no get in trouble, Bobo we no get wahala, Bobo we make me dey smile. Oh, see me see Biggie, Bobo one die for my matter, Bobo we dey give me goosebumps. Baby I say make you cool down this yeah. You are in me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is BUN, aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back here with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this top knot bun using my beautiful hair from Elevate Styles. Thank you so much Elevate Style for collaborating with me. You guys are amazing and so nice. And yes, I'm going to show you guys how I create this top knot. It's so easy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and definitely keep on watching. We are working with this wig right here. Let me back up so you guys can see it. So this wig is the brown sugar versatile lace wig, human hairstyle mix. So use lace part and vertical lace part, so you can see like the wig. You can basically do buns with it. You can do like 3 buns with it, and then you can do it. I'm going to be doing this obviously. So we're going to achieve the top knot bun with this hair. So let me go ahead and cut the lace off.
But your name now funka, oh I do
Cutting the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head. So I would really recommend to always put a wig cap on your head, but I can't find my wig caps right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just like tie my braids back.
I'm
gonna take my mousse and just kind of like push my hair back. This wig on. Okay, first thing first, the wig is like super small on my head. Yeah, so the wig is super small, you guys. Like, I don't think this wig is big head friendly. This is the first wig I've ever had that is not big head friendly, because you guys know I have a very small head. So if like a wig does not fit my head, it means this is a small wig. Okay, this is exactly where I need the wig to be. So we're just taking some of the baby hair out.
Them shower girls go poundland.
Now I'm going to cut these baby hair. Use my mousse here.
Oh hickey hickey, and she never waste time, no giddy giddy. Charlie, she got me thinking. She the only one I be linking. Would you follow me when it goes wrong? Would you follow me? Would you follow me when the tears?
Okay guys, so I went ahead and like you guys can see I laid down these baby edges. Baby edges. Maybe like. So now you gotta lay it down. You gotta take something and like make it laid. Oh, this is wet. Oh my goodness.
Like Sarkodie, oh you turn for me, wine for me, you go kill me like Sarkodie.
I went ahead and I lay down my edges. Lay down them edges. Remove this rubber band. I'm gonna do it careful with the edges. Go ahead and just comb it out. Actually, let's start from here and go up the top knot.
The energy to light up the world. My love far away me up. My love far away me up.
But let's do this top knot, okay? So let me twirl it up. Twirl it up, and then we got this. Okay, top knot. It looks kind of funny, but that's okay. here, down here. Does it look funny, you guys? Do I look like a cone hair? Let's open it up. Okay, let me open it up more. All done, top knot.